Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about spring vibration analysis of spring mass system. We are going to discuss the ANSYS APDL. Using ANSYS APDL we are going to do the exercise of vibration analysis of spring mass system. This is the spring mass system. We are going to find the natural frequency and mode shape for the spring mass system. You have two springs K1, K2. You have a mass M1 is 2 kg, M2 is 1 kg. We are going to get this natural frequency for this system, right? We are going to ANSYS software. This is the ANSYS software, which is going to be a window. First, we go for preference, structural. You can give preference, structural, give OK. Then go to preprocessor. You go for preprocessor, element type, add. Here we are how to add two elements, right? One was the spring element, another was the mass element. So we have to add two elements so that you can add. You have a structural mass. You have a structural mass. You can click it. Then you go for options. You can change into 2D without rotation. There is no any rotation forces will be acted, so that we are regulating that 2D without rotation, right? Give OK. First I have added the mass. Second I wanted to add the spring, right? Add. Then drag your button. You will have a combination. You have a combination. In combination you have a spring damper. You have a spring damper. Click OK. Then go to that, click that combination, options. We are going for 2D analysis, not 3D, so that we are giving 2D longitudinal, right? We are giving a 2D longitudinal. Give OK. Then close. Element test. OK. Here there is no need for material property because we are going to find the natural frequency. Generally, natural frequency of the system. Generally, you have a formula of natural frequency. You have the system is omega is equal to root of K by M, right? This is the natural frequency of the system. K is equal to K is a spring stiffness, M is the mass. You can find the natural frequency of the system. So that we have a K and we have a mass, so that we can easily find. We no need to give the material properties. Modeling, create. Before modeling and create, you have to assign the real constant, mass value and stiffness value. You go to real constant, add, type on mass, click it. You have to enter the mass value. What is the first mass value? Is a 2 kg. So that I wanted to add 2 kg. You OK. Then close. Again you go for add. Again the mass value is 2 kg. Next second mass is 1 kg. So you can add it 1 kg. Give OK. Close. Again next I want to add the spring, right? Add combination spring. The what stiffness of the spring is K is 5. You can add it. K is 5. Give OK. Close. Then add. Then spring stiffness value is 20, so that we can add it 20. OK. After adding the real constant, you can model the spring mass system. Modeling, create, key points, inactive CS. Total distance you can take it as 1 meter. So I wanted to start with 1, 0. Initially I am going to take a 0. Give OK. Then inactive CS. Second point you can give it as 2. The value is 0.5 meter. You can the total distance is 0.5 meter. 2 points is created. Third, I wanted to create the third point. It is 1 meter from the 0 end, so that it will be 0. 3 points have been created because it will have a 2 masses and 2 elements, right? It will have a 3 nodes, 2 elements, so that I have created the key points. Then you have to create the lines. Straight line. First point, second point, second to third, you can create it, right? These are the key points you have created, right? After creating, you have to mesh it. It is a very, very important step. You have to mesh it. Before meshing, you have to take a concentration. You have to write the numbers. I'll be giving with an example. You can write node value as 1. 1 I have given the mass value. What is the mass value? 2. Then 2 also I have given a mass value. I am assigned the mass value. 2 is 20, not 20, it is a 1 kg. Mass is 5. Mass is 2 kg. Second mass is 1 kg. Third I am given as spring stiffness value. Spring stiffness value is 5. 4 is again spring stiffness value, it is 20, right? First is mass, first 2 and all mass, second K, okay. Now I wanted to mesh the element, right? Mesh tool. You go to here, you have a mesh tool, right? You can set first I wanted to mesh the spring, then only I wanted to mesh the mass. Set, you can give the mass here, you can give the combination means spring. What is the real constant for first thing? You have written it. First thing you have a first thing you have a third one, right? Third one is the spring. Third and fourth is spring. So that I have selected as combination 3. Okay. Then you select this here option mesh. Select the first line. Give OK. Automatically it will be meshed, right? Again I wanted to mesh the second spring. Mesh tool. Set combination. You can take the combination. And you 4 because that is also spring. So that 4 mesh. I select this nearby the line. There will be a line. Here you can select it. Give OK. Right? You have mesh it. Next I wanted to mesh with the. Next I wanted to mesh with the key points, right? Mass. So that I have taken a set. You can go for mass. Mass, first mass I am going to mesh it. You can select here key points because the mass is created in the form of key points. Mesh tool. Select the second key point because the first one is going to be will be arrested, so that you can take it only second key point. Give OK. Right. I wanted to mesh with the third key point. Set mass value is second, so that OK. Here also key point. You have to here also you can select key points. Mesh. You can select this point. Give OK. Entire model is going to be meshed. Next I wanted to give the degree movement, right? This is going to be movement, okay? This is going to be movement, so that I wanted to give the movement, right? Here all degrees of freedom fixed. Here only on a all degrees of freedom free, so that you can be movable. So that one here the all degrees of freedom is fixed, so I am going to fix it, right? Load, define load, apply structural displacement on key points. I am going to select this key point. Okay, all degrees of freedom is fixed. All degrees of freedom is fixed. I have fixed the all degrees of freedom. Right here, there in the x portion it will be moved. Remaining will be fixed. So that I can give it. I will be freeing it. Right, remaining portions will be movable. So that I wanted to free the x portion. You can select second and 3. You can move that u of y is fixed, u of y is fixed, u of x is free. So that I am fixed. U of x, x movement will be moved, but y will be arrested. So that I am fixed with 2 and 3 with the condition, right? Next, you go for analysis type. Now I am going to solve this problem in model analysis. So that new analysis, model, new analysis, model, give OK. I have taken the model analysis. Then you go for analysis option. You can go for analysis option. You can take block length and number of modes. As now I am giving 2 modes. You can take n number of modes. Starting frequency, ending frequency. Now I am giving 100. If it is not required, you can make it as 0 also. Okay, this is the thing which is solved. Next, I wanted to solve this problem, right? Solve solution, solve, current tell us, solution, solve, current tell us, give OK. Solution is done. Once your solution is done, only your problem is correct. Whatever your step procedure adapter for this problem is correct. Otherwise, it may be wrong. Okay. This is the entire problem. Then I wanted to take the result. I wanted to take the result. General post processor, read result, first step. Read result, first step. Then plot result, deformed, undeformed shape. Plot result, deformed, undeformed. This is the first movement of the beam. You can get the frequency and displacement, right? Next, I wanted to get a next set of the result. Read, next set of result. Then plot result, deformed, undeformed shape. Again, I get the second result. As I said that previously, it can be animated. Plot, animation, deformed shape, deformed, undeformed shape. See that the spring's mass is moving it. The blue color is moving from initial position to deformed position, right? This is where you have to analyze the spring mass system. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.